So to attach your camera strap, it may seem quite obvious, but I bought my new camera and within an hour the strap had come off, because despite the fact that I've done this hundreds of times in my old job, I did it wrong. So I'm just going to run through how to put the strap on your camera. So they're going through these loops here. So you can see where the text is on your strap. Turn that over and lie it down. And then your strap's going to come like this with it hooked over. So just slide the little clip along and release this part of the strap. And we're going to put that through the eye of this hook. Pull that through. It needs to go back through that eye. And then just slide it down to lock it in there. And then it needs to go through this loop as well. So just loosen the strap that's already through there. And then just feed your strap through the inside. So pop it through the loop. Pull it through. And then back through, still on the inside here. Pull that through and then pull the original one tight, and that is not going anywhere. So I'll do the other one just while I'm talking, just so you can see the other side being done in case you are following along. So yeah, I'd had my camera for a really short amount of time. I was stood in the kitchen, which is waiting to have tiles put in, so it's currently a concrete floor. So I stood in the kitchen talking to my other half, and suddenly had my camera on the strap over my shoulder, and suddenly my camera fell lens first onto the floor. Thank God, I don't know how, it didn't smash. It didn't even get a chip. So I was pretty impressed with that. It's clearly made of sturdy stuff. But yeah, it's safe to say my heart was in my throat for a second. And I did have a bit of a rant about rubbish straps until I realised it was me that had done it wrong. So there we are. So when it's round your neck, the text is going to be on the outside. Okay? And that is how we put the strap on our camera.